in the last class, I have gave you this assignment also on Monday. Okay, so I think you have gone through these questions. Yeah, so let's see how we are going to solve them if you have not done it. Okay, now has anybody done this question in the assignment? Show that the area of a rhombus is half product of its diagonal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
isn't this today's assignment? Ma'am, the one we're doing right now?
In fact, this assignment was assigned in the last class only, and today also the same
Oh,
assignment
okay.
will be there. Four more questions were
Ma'am,
added.
I was just checking my assignment notebook because you said we did it. Ma'am, I've done till the ninth question in this, ma'am, and after that I was a little, no, sorry, ma'am, I've done till the 12th question in this, and then I ran out of time, so I have to do two more questions. After that, I'm done.
Okay. So how you did
No,
this?
so I've done this question.
Shazan, have you done this question?
Ma'am, let me check.
Repeat.
Ma'am, let me check.
So you can check that how you have done. Okay, maybe you have done in a different way. Okay, or the same way. So show that the
Ma'am,
yeah, Spadrika.
nothing.
Show that the area of a rhombus is half product of its diagonal. So what we have to show that first of all given is what?
Ma'am, is it the sixth number?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I have done this one.
Okay. So how you have done, Shazan?
Ma'am, first I have written diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Area of rhombus ABCD is split into area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by half base into height.
Yes,
And
very good. Yeah.
therefore area of triangle ABD is equal to half into BD into DA.
Ma'am, because those are the diagonals, yes, ma'am, even I've done a similar method, but I've just changed the name of the diagonal.
Yeah, that you can do, Advika. There's no problem. But yeah, if you have done with that process, it's okay. Okay, that is the correct one. So what is given that ABCD is a rhombus, and to prove what we have to prove that area of a rhombus ABCD is equal to half into AC into BD. Okay, now proof you have already done it, but for quickly I will just explain that yeah, diagonals of the rhombus bisect at right angle or they are perpendicular to each other. That means this diagonal is what perpendicular at this diagonal. Okay, so these are 90-degree. Okay, understood? So that is perfectly okay that which two triangle are taking you are taking. Okay, so what I am taking first, I will write that OD is perpendicular to AC and OB is perpendicular to AC. Okay, OD and OB. So I am taking triangle ABC and ADC. Okay, now area of rhombus ABCD is equal to area of triangle ACD plus. Aram, you have any doubt? You can ask. Okay, because I think Adrika and Shazan both of them have already done it. Okay, so half into base into height. So AC into OD plus half AC into OB. Okay, now you can see AC is common, half an AC, so OD plus OB. So OD plus OB is what? BD. Okay, so instead of this, we can just simply write BD, so AC into BD. So we have already done that half into product of diagonals. Okay, I think nobody has doubt. Aram, do you have any doubt in this question? Understood?
No, yeah, ma'am, I understood.
Yeah. Okay, so we have taken two triangles ABC and ADC. You can take ABD and BCD also. Okay, so whichever you want to take because both the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Okay, now this result you are going to remember. Okay, because this is the area of the rhombus. Okay, this is the area of the rhombus. Understood? You can sometimes it may ask you to find the area of the rhombus, so you can directly use the formula, and we have derived the formula right now. Okay, now this is a simple question. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel side are 9 centimeter and 6 centimeter and the distance between these sides is 8 centimeter. So
Ma'am, in this we just have to use the formula that like half into the sum of the parallel sides times the height, and then so you have to do half into 9 plus 6 into 8, and then you get your answer final answer 60 centimeters square.
yeah, very good. Okay, so you just have to apply the formula, and the formula of the area of trapezium is what? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, so sum of parallels, we have already given the parallel side are of 9 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, so you are going to add up this because sum of parallel sides we need, and the distance between the two sides. Okay, a different distance between these sides. So this is 8. Okay, the height is 8. Okay, so the height is given and the sum of parallel side is given. Parallel sides length is given. Okay, so you are just going to apply this in the formula, and after that you will get the answer as 60 centimeter square. Any doubt, Shazan, Arham?
No, ma'am, no doubt here.
Now
No, ma'am, no doubts.
let's see this question. Question number 8. Question number 8 also you have done.
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Okay, we'll just quickly
I've
discuss.
done question number 8.
So how you have done, Shazan?
Yes, ma'am, I have understood.
And Shazan, this is
Ma'am, even I've done this.
not good. Shazan, I will
What?
declare the test result in the next class. I'll just review once more, but I am not happy with your result this time. Okay, so you have done all the questions, Shazan, or you left the questions also?
Ma'am, do we know
Ma'am,
how
I
much we
have
got in
done
the
till
test?
question number 10. Question number 10. Till question number 10 I have done. To that number.
Only 10 till 10th only you have done.
Yes, I have done till 10. Ma'am, today I have not done.
I'm not talking about assignment, the test.
No, ma'am, in test I have not done till 10. I have done more.
Let's see. And yeah, Advika, you were saying something?
And do we get to know our test results today only?
Test? I didn't understood.
Ma'am, our test results, do we get to know it today?
No, I will tell you in the next class. Okay, it is already the copies are checked, but I'll just quickly review once more that there's no mistakes that I am counting and all, and then I will declare you this result.
Okay.
Okay, so now what is here? The perimeter of an isosceles triangle. Now this triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. That means your AB is equal to AC. Okay, and the perimeter is given, that is AB plus AC plus BC is equal to 32 centimeter. So you can take it as this is X. So 2X plus BC is equal to 32 centimeter. BC value is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, so X value will be equal to what? It will be 32 minus 12 upon 2, which will be equal to 20 upon 2, 10 centimeter. Okay, so each side will be of 10 centimeter. Yes, any doubt? So we have got
No, ma'am.
all the side values. Okay, now BM. Okay, one of its equal side forms a diagonal of a parallelogram. Fine. Now, what is the area of the parallelogram? It is, what is the area of the parallelogram? It is base into height. Okay, so base value we already know, BC. Now we need to know the value of height, that is AM. Okay, so how can we find out the value of AM? We know this. Now if you see this triangle, okay, this triangle, this AM is perpendicular. Okay, height is, if you see this triangle, okay, so this is a right angle triangle. So from Pythagoras theorem we can find out the value of AM, but before that we need to know the value of MC. We know that BC value is 12. Okay, if you see both the triangles, 1 and 2, so triangle AMB is congruent to AMB, na? So AMC is congruent. Okay, why? From the RHS. Why? See, your hypotenuse is already equal 10 and 10. It is an isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, and AM is common. So these two triangles are congruent. That means this side will be equal to this side from CPCT. BM is equal to MC from CPCT. Okay, so since they are equal, so therefore MC will be equal to half, or BM is equal to half. Okay, you can say. Okay, anyone you can half of BC, which is equal to MC is equal to 6 centimeter. Yes, any doubt? Now we need to find out the value of AM. So AM will be equal to, okay, just dropping a line here. Okay, so AM value will be equal to root AC square minus MC square. I'm writing directly. Actually, it is AC square is equal to AM square plus AC square. Sorry, MC square, na? Plus MC square. Okay, so AC square minus MC square. Okay, so AB AM. AM will be equal to AC is 10, 10 square will be 100 minus MC is 6, 6 square will be 36, 64, root 64. So AM will be 8 centimeter. We'll be taking the positive value because since we are talking about the distance, so we'll not go with the negative value. We'll get plus minus 8, but I'm just considering the positive value. Okay. Now, if you find out the area of the parallelogram, so area of parallelogram ABCD will be equal to base into height. So BC into AM. BC is 12 and this is 8. Okay, 90 centimeters. Understood?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, in this assignment only, ma'am, I was just checking, ma'am, and I realized that I've not done a question 13 and 14, and I've written there that I didn't understand how to do it, ma'am. So is it okay if you explain that?
Wait, Advika, 13 and 14, you have to do today 13 and 14 because when I gave in the last class, there were only 10 questions in this assignment.
Oh, because I just opened today's assignment and I've written that I'm not done.
Today, in today's assignment, in that same previous assignment, I've added 4 more questions. Okay.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes. Oh, that's why I've not done it.
If you
Oh,
have
okay.
already done, then we will see. We can assign you next assignment maybe. Okay, so now what is here? Show that a median of a triangle divides it into triangle of equal areas. Okay, now we have to show that the median of the triangle, we already know this, the result, but how it is proven. Okay, we'll prove today that the median of the triangle divides the triangle to two equal areas. We know this point that the median divides the base into two. It means D will be the midpoint. AD is the median. So D will be the midpoint of BC. Okay. Yes or no? D will
Yes,
be
yes.
the midpoint of BC. Now what we are going to do, we are just simply going to do a simple construction, that is we are drawing a perpendicular line from A to the base BC to know the height of the triangle. So this AN is perpendicular to BC. Okay. Now, if you see the area of the triangle ABD, the area of the triangle, area of triangle ABD. So it will be half base into height. Half base will be what? BD and height will be AN. Okay. Similarly, area of triangle ADC will be also same. Half into, but this time base will be DC into height will be AN, sorry, this is AN. Okay. Now, if you see BD is equal to DC. Why? Since AD is median. Okay. So therefore, you can write instead of BD, you can write DC only, or instead of DC, you can write BD. Okay. So therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ADC. Understood? Any doubt? Shazan, Advika, Arham?
No, ma'am. I understood.
Now, this result also you are going to remember, okay, that the medium of the triangle, medium of a triangle divides a triangle into two equal areas. Okay. Now, similar result, the same result we are going to use in this question. Okay, and we are going to prove. Okay. Now, in the given figure, E is any point on median AD. Okay, of a triangle ABC, of a triangle ABC, show that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACE. Okay, this one. We have to show that this triangle area is equal to this triangle area. Okay, now how we are going to show? Now it is already said that AD is the median. Okay, since AD is the median, therefore from the previous question we have already derived what? The area of the triangles will be equal. Therefore, area of triangle ABD will be equal to area of triangle ACD. Yes. Now, if you see the smaller triangle, see in BEC, in triangle BCE, ED is again a median because ED is the part of AD and it is also going from that tip only. So ED is again the median. Okay. So since ED is the median, Okay, it is going from this point only, from this vertex only. That's why it will become the median, and D is the midpoint. Okay, so AD is the median. Therefore, area of triangle, which triangle? EBD is equal to area of triangle ECD. Okay, yeah. Okay, now this you can take it as equation 1, and this you can take it as equation 2. Now subtracting equation 1, so equation 2 from first. If you're going to subtract, so area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle EBD, right on right side, left on left side. Area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle ECD. Okay, so if you are going to minus this, what you will get in the bigger triangle? If you are going to minus this small portion, so you'll get the remaining part ABE. So area of triangle ABE is equal to, similarly, area of triangle ACE. ACE. Any doubt now? See, this is the new questions that you will see in today's assignment, and I think if you have done already those questions, so complete this assignment and submit. Okay, this way you will not lag behind. Okay, assignment will also be complete. Now here, if E, F, G, and H are respectively the midpoints of the sides of a parallelogram. Okay, now this is a parallelogram. Copy it. Now, what is it then? E, F, G, H are respectively the midpoints of the sides of the parallelogram ABCD. So we are having ABCD parallelogram. So I'm drawing a parallelogram. Okay, A, B, C, and D. Now E, F, G, H respectively. So we also will go in a serial manner. AB का midpoint होगा आपका, I'll use the different E, F, G, and H. Now, you have to prove that this, first let us join this. Now, area of this new parallelogram show that the area of EFGH is equal to half the area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, so for this, what we are going to do, we are going to join this line. We are going to join E and H. Now, since it is a parallelogram, ABCD is already a parallelogram. Yes or no? Arham, Shazan, Advika. ABCD is already a parallelogram.
Sorry, ma'am, I was on mute. Yes, ma'am, it is a parallelogram.
Yes, ma'am, it's a parallel.
So AB will be parallel to DC, and AB will also be equal to DC. So if we'll take half of AD, since E is the midpoint and G is the midpoint, so we are exactly making half. Okay, so this will also be equal to this. AE will be equal to, since ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AB will be parallel to DC, and AB will be equal to DC. Okay, therefore AE will be equal to DG, and AE will be parallel to DG because it's just the half. It is a part of AB, so it will be parallel also to AB is parallel to DG. Okay, now therefore what will happen, that ADGE will become a parallelogram. Yes or no? Because AE is parallel to DG and AE is equal to DG, therefore ADGE will become a parallelogram. Now since it is a parallelogram, now in this parallelogram ADGE and triangle EHG lie on same base, and between same parallel line. Therefore, area of triangle EHG will be equal to half of area of parallelogram ADGE. Yes? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now similarly the other half. Okay, similarly the below one, EBCG. Okay, now again we will use different color, and EB will be equal to GC, and EB will be parallel to GC, therefore EBCG will become a parallelogram. Okay, now Since it is a parallelogram, now again we'll apply parallelogram EBCG and triangle EFG lie on same base and between same parallel lines. Therefore, area of triangle DEG is equal to half area of parallelogram EBCG. Okay, now take this as equation 1 and take this as equation 2. Now adding both the equation. Okay, adding equation first and second. Now, if you are going to add equations, so what you will get, area of triangle EHG plus area of triangle DEG will be equal to half area of parallelogram ADGE plus half area of parallelogram EBCG. Okay, now this implies that now if you are going to add up, so if you are going to check this, so what it will be, it will become this whole EHGF. What is it? EFGH. FGH will be equal to area of half area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay, because half you will take common, and area of parallelogram ADGE and area of parallelogram EBCG. If you add it, you'll get that whole ABCD. Okay, any doubts?
No.
Now we have done this question. Now see this question. Okay, now what is here? The median BE and CF of a triangle. Now let us first draw a triangle. If I'm going to draw a triangle, so this is a triangle ABC. Okay. Medians BE and CF of a triangle ABC intersect at G, from where they are drawing. Okay, sorry, it is written BE. The median BE and CF intersect at with G. This is a G point. Okay. Now since it is median, so this will be equal to this, and these two areas will also be equal. And this is also a median, so this will be equal to this, and these two areas will also be equal. Okay. Now what we have to prove that the area of triangle GBC is equal to area of quadrilateral AFGE. AFGE. Now, how can we do that? We take the triangle this. So these two area will be equal, and if we take this, these two areas will be equal. So how you're going to do this question? Just a minute. So how we are going to do? See, if you see that CBE is the median, yes. So if BE is the median, so what will happen? Area of triangle FBC is equal to area of triangle. See, CF is the median, therefore it will divide the triangle into two equal areas. So triangle, the area of triangle FBC will be equal to area of triangle AFC. Yes, and this also implies that since the median divides the triangle into two equal areas, so area of triangle FBC will be equal to half area of triangle ABC. Yes, okay. Now similarly, we can say that similarly, see, BE is also the median. So area of triangle BEC, or you can write area of triangle AEB. AEB is equal to half, wait, I'll have to mention this also. Area of triangle AEB is equal to area of triangle BEC. Okay, and it will be half area of triangle ABC. Okay, so we'll take this as equation first, and we'll take this as equation 2. Okay, now from the two equations, okay, from equation first and second, what we will get? That area of triangle FBC is equal to area of triangle AEB. Yes or no? area of triangle FBC, this one, wait, FBC, this one, okay, and AEB, this one, okay. These two triangle areas are equal, yes or no? Any doubt?
No, ma'am, they are, ma'am. So can we do the assignment, like assignment question as you are teaching us?
Assignment also have the same questions.
Okay.
Okay, fine. It's almost assignment time also. We'll finish this question and then you can start with the assignment. Okay. Okay. So I'll just rub this color. Okay. So understood till here that area of both these triangles. Okay. So area of both these triangles are equal. Okay. Now what we are going to do in these two areas, if we are going to subtract this smaller triangle, we are going to subtract this FGB, it is written, if we are going to subtract this FGB, okay, the small portion, this one, okay, if we are going to subtract this, so we will get the desired result. Okay, so area of triangle GBF, okay, from both sides we get, now in this equation only you are going to subtract, okay, so area of triangle FBC minus area of triangle GBF, okay, is equal to area of triangle AEB minus area of triangle GBF. Okay, so what we will get? We'll get area of triangle GBC will be equal to area of quadrilateral AFGE. Okay. Any doubt? Advika, Shazan,
Yes, ma'am.
Arhan?
No, ma'am, there is not much.
Okay, so what we actually do, we have just means used what was given. Okay, so what we have done, we have proved that this area, this whole area was equal to this area. Okay, because they were half of the triangle. Okay, and then we subtracted the small portion in both this triangle, so we got the quadrilateral area is equal to area of this triangle GBC. Okay, just quickly see this question so that you can complete your assignments also easily. Now, the second question is also somewhat similar, 14 one. So I will leave it for you to do in the assignment, but we'll discuss this one. Okay, I'm just discussing. Okay, so see here, O is any point on the diagonal PR of a parallelogram PQRS. Okay, now what we have to prove that the triangle, the area of the triangle PSO, okay, this portion PSO is equal to PQO. Okay, this one. Okay, understood? These two triangles areas are equal. So what we are going to do, we already know that the diagonals intersect at each other. They are okay. So we are going to join SQ. Okay, so when we are going to join SQ, so this will be equal to this. Okay, and it will be a median. PB will be a median. Okay, because they are perpendicular to each other, and
Ma'am, can I quickly drink water?
okay, fine. Okay, so PB will be a median, and since it is a median, so this triangle area will be equal to this triangle area. Similarly, BU will also be a median, and so this triangle area will also be equal to this triangle area. And if we are going to add both this, so the whole triangle PSO area will be equal to PQO. Any doubt? Understood or not? Just wait. See, diagonals. Okay, one diagonal is already given. PR. Okay, I'm drawing the another actually I'm joining SQ, so it will be an another diagonal. Okay, so diagonals are bisect each other. Okay, they are going to bisect each other. Therefore, this B is going to bisect this this PR at B will be bisecting SQ. So this will be equal to this. Okay, it will be as a median. Okay, midpoint of this. Okay, now the triangle area of PSB, this triangle area will be equal to this triangle area. Okay, okay. Now similarly, this triangle area will be equal to this triangle area. Okay, so if you are going to add this first and this first, okay, so we'll get the whole area equal to this. Okay, so we'll get this area is equal to this area. Understood now? You'll have to form the equation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, so you can start with your assignment. Okay, and similarly you are going to do the second part also. Okay, if you will not understand, we will discuss at the time of assignment only. Okay.